Shh. What's the matter with Flavio? Does he have beans in his ears? I knocked loud enough to wake the dead. I know. I'll push my mistress's love note under the door. There. Now he's sure to see it. Unless his cranky father the doctor finds it first. Ooh, now that would be putting the cat among the pigeons, wouldn't it? Wait. Wait. All I ever do is wait. You'd think I have nothing better to do with my time than wait. Wait. Wait some more. Do I look like a statue? I feel like a statue. I might as well be carved from stone, standing here waiting in the moonlight. Don't tell anyone I told you, but I know what's in the note. Isabella is arranging a tryst for tonight with Flavio, the doctor's son. I suppose Flavio's in there right now, swooning over her sweet endearments to him. Ugh, young lovers, honestly. They have more hormones than sense. I ask you, how long does it take to read a message and send a reply? That young man needs a kick up the backside, if you ask me. I could leave, I suppose, but if I do, oh dear, who knows what my mistress would do to me then? You have no idea what being a servant is like. Columbina, do this. Columbina, do that. Run here. Run there. Run everywhere, Columbina. Faster, faster. Never a moment's peace. I'm exhausted, I tell you. Well, I'm a serving maid, it's true. I won't deny it. But that does not mean I'm a slave. Yet, Here I am again, delivering secret messages to her lover in the dark of night. Nothing new in that. Well, at this rate, I'll have to wait until dawn for a reply. I guess I might as well make myself comfortable. Oh,
Zounds! I'm sure that step wasn't there yesterday. Wicked step. Don't do that again. Wakey, wakey.
About time, Mr. Impudence.
Don't be rude. I've got something for you.
Oh, Alechino, what is it? Will you play the silent flute for me again, eh? You did it so well. I'm breathless with anticipation. Give it to me. Oh, of course. The reply. Do you know what it says? Don't hold out, man. Tell me. Oh, is that all?
Not quite. Flavio agrees to meet Isabella over there in the arbour tonight.
Lovers. Oh, kiss and cuddle, nip and... well, I'm sure you know what I mean. Good for them, I say. But for us, Arlecchino, this has got to stop. We can't go on. You at Flavio's beck and call, me mopping up Isabella's tears every time his father forbids him to see her. We fly between them day and night like demented carrier pigeons, with love tokens, letters, plots, intrigues. You look as exhausted as I feel. It's not good. I tell you it's not good. What are we going to do about it? Think, Arlecchino. I know you're a man of action. You'd prefer to raid the phoenix nest, wander a petticoat lane, and leave offerings at the altar of Venus. But for once, use your mind instead of your maypole. I have it.
Oh.
What a splendid idea. Somehow they must marry. Yes, that's it. Get them off our backs and onto their backs, if you get the point.
How?
Good question. We'll help them.
Ha!
A plan.
Any ideas?
Don't rush me. Anything worth doing well takes time. It's coming. Coming. Nearly there. Oh, yes. We'll convince Flavio's father, Dr. Graziano, that Isabella's father, the tight-wad old Pantalone, has inherited a fortune. So much money, in fact, that when the old man dies, Isabella will be the wealthiest heiress in Sorrentina, and also that her father, despite his penny-pinching ways, intends to give her a king's ransom for a dowry. Then we tell bird-brained Pantalone that Dr. Graziano has inherited a fortune, and will give it to his son Flavio when he marries. The two fathers will fall over themselves trying to be the first to post the marriage ban for their children.
Brilliant.
Of course I am. Now, hurry, tell the plan to your master Flavio, while I let my mistress Isabella into the secret.
Oh, no. Flavio's come prematurely.
No matter. She comes too. The hour for the tryst has arrived. The perfect opportunity for us to let them in on our plan for their marital bliss.
Oh, look, here comes Flavio's father. Just between you and me, he's a bombastic windbag, a know-it-all. The doctor spent his entire life learning everything without understanding anything. He'll be an easy mark. Quick, Arlecchino, put our plan into practice. Be convincing. It's our only chance to get a good night's sleep.
Oh, to bed.
Not now, you dolt. Stop that, you incorrigible womanizer.
Flavio, my son, you are to be married.
It looks like it's worked.
Come at once.
The greedy old cod has fallen for it. Hook, line, and... Ooh, pew, stinker. I beg your pardon, Dr. Graziano. I believe your son went that way. Another day. So far, so good. I only have to find Pantalone and tell him the good news of Dr. Graziano's fortune. What a joke! He'll fall for it, I'm sure. That old penny-pinching, mean-minded miser will leap at the chance to get rich quick. Have you seen him? I've looked everywhere. He's nowhere to be found. Oh, speak of the devil! What good fortune! There he is now. Oh, who's that with him? Oh, yes, I recognize him now. That's Captain, Spy. No, Spa. No. Spit. No. Spew? No. Ah, I've got it. It's Captain Spavento. I wonder what those two old cronies are scheming. I'll eavesdrop and find out. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Oh, dear. Trouble. There's a cuckoo in the nest. Pantalone has agreed to give his daughter Isabella in marriage to the sea captain. Oh, why didn't I get to Pantalone in time? Oh, my poor, sweet mistress, to be chained in wedlock to that worldly man of the sea. Oh, I bet he has a petticoat in every port. Oh, Columbina, there you are. Help me. Oh, my goodness! Oh, my gracious! Oh, good heaven sakes alive! My mistress fainted dead away. What shall I do? Father insists that I marry the captain tomorrow. Oh, whoa! He's so old, and I'm so young. The best years of my life were ahead of me, but now... My delicate, genteel young lady, it's the thought of his long sword that frightens her for sure. How do I know? Just take a look at his huge nose. What shall I do? There's no hope for it. I will kill myself, plunge this dagger through my heart. Oh, sharp blade, strike true. Flavio, I die for you. No, no, dear mistress. Sheave such thoughts. There is still hope of a happy resolution to this matter. Trust me, you shall wed your love, Flavio, before the cock crows tomorrow. Go, find Arlecchino. Tell him what's happened. Stay with him until I speak to your father. I may yet have a way to change his heart. I fear his heart is made of stone, Columbina. Then I will chip away at the old block, mistress. You shall see. I know his desire is all for money. I will play on his fickle disposition.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, my dear Columbina.
Go, mistress. Stay out of sight with Arlecchino until I send for you. Oh, Pantalone, sir, I do believe you dropped a coin.
Impossible!
What's this, then?
Where?
There. Look closely. I'm certain I see a shiny new coin. Oh, alas, sir, you've fallen.
Of course I have, you little vixen. You brought me down yourself, so help me up again, now!
Not until I tell you what I've heard, sir.
Later.
Now, or I shan't help you. Rise.
Oh, all right, be quick about it. What is it?
Dr. Graziano has inherited a fortune.
He has?
Word has it he intends to give it all to his son when he marries.
He does? Who told you this?
A little birdie, sir.
A fortune, you say? Why, the old fox. He never said a word to me.
Best inquire then, sir.
I shall. I never look a gift horse in the mouth. If what you say is true, my daughter shall marry his son instead of the captain.
Splendid.
Help me up, you saucy girl. I'll find Dr. Graziano at once.
If I'm not mistaken, there he is now, sir.
I hear you are rich.
No, I hear you are rich.
No!
No?
No!
Don't lie to me, you chicken-faced pox of a man.
Don't lie to me, you overstuffed lady's muff.
You take that back.
I will not.
Who told you I was rich?
This naughty wench, Columbina. Who told you I was rich?
That good-for-nothing servant of mine, Arlecchino.
Yes, it's all Arlecchino's fault. He gossips all the time. His mouth never stops running. If he moved it any faster, it would run away from him.
Enough, girl. No more nonsense. As for you...
Sir, and my own father, my heart leaps with joy to see you together. I have an announcement. I intend to marry Isabella.
Son, your wits are addled. No way will I have you bed the daughter of that foolish, loathsome, lying lizard.
No way will I have my daughter bedded by the son of this gross excuse for a doctor, whose head is made of marzipan.
Take that back, you scrawny buzzard.
I will not, you puffed-up old pigeon.
Take that back.
I will not.
You will take that back.
I will not.
Why me? Oh, woe is me! Woe is me! I shall kill myself with grief. I will hang from the highest tree. Let those who see me weep for my wretched destiny.
Don't give up hope. It's not as bad as that. Wipe your eyes. Your lover is here. Arlecchino, a word. Our plan's been foiled. We must connive again. Flavio, Isabella, stop playing the grapevine. Unwind yourself. Go with Arlecchino. He will help you make your dreams come true. But there is one thing more you must promise to do. Spread it far and wide that Arlecchino and I, Columbina, will be married in an hour. Can you do this for me? You goose! It's not for real. It's part of the intrigue, the subterfuge, the plan. Now, away with you, all of you. I must think. Oh, look who's here. The eager bridegroom, the captain himself. Not bad looking for an old sea dog, is he? Captain? Oh, Captain! Such unexpected gallantry. I am quite bewitched. Tell me, Captain, I hear you're fond of, fancy articles. You must have seen many on your sea voyages. Well, I have a fancy article I'm willing to show you. But first you must agree to help me. In fact, I will give you my fancy article to have and to hold if you will. Do you agree? Good. Our union will end in a fruitful climax, if I'm any judge of things. And I assure you, Captain, you won't be disappointed. I ask, what need you of a filly when you can have a mare? Time flies, Captain. Prepare for your wedding. You and I will join together soon.
Welcome to this marriage of Captain Spavento, skilled mariner of coastal channels, and Isabella, beloved daughter of Pantalone, esteemed citizen of Sorrentina. You may all applaud. Are we all present?
Sir Judge, please forgive the absence of my son. He is too distraught to attend. He was fond of the bride, you understand.
Duly noted. Now let the ceremony proceed.
Sir Judge, my daughter appears to be missing.
Missing? You don't mean to say the bird has flown?
No, senor. There she is. Come, my blushing bride. Let me play my silent flute for you. Eh?
Well, have none of this yet, Captain. Let the music sound. Let's tie the knot so the road to christening can begin. Woman, do you take this man? Do you take this woman? Done. You are man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Wait, that's not my daughter, Isabella. That's my wicked servant, Colombina.
Impossible. Not an hour ago, I married the servant girl, Colombina, to a youth named Alecchino. Ah, there they are.
My daughter, dressed in servant's clothes? Whatever are you thinking, girl?
That's my son beside her.
Whoever they are wed. Signed, sealed, not quite delivered yet, I trust.
Oh!
Father, what ails you?
It's the shock. He's having a heart attack. Out of the way. Let me through.
Oh, no, not the doctor. He loses more patients than he saves.
Oh!
Father!
Thank you, doctor.
Look, he's rising from his deathbed. It's a miracle. Oh, look. I don't believe it. Pantalone is actually parting with money as payment for his treatment from the doctor. Wonders never cease.
Thank you. I give this now to my son, so he may have the means to start a new life with your daughter. My son, what's done is done. I give you my blessing.
As do I.
Aw, isn't it good to have a happy ending?
Colombina, it appears, lusty lady, that you and I too are now man and wife.
Uh-oh. Actually, I don't mind. I've always admired that huge sword of his. And besides, who wouldn't want to sail the 7 seas?
I can assure you smooth passage, mi enamorata. It pleases me well to have such a buxom, a bonny bride.
Husband, you kept your end of the bargain. Now I keep mine. When would you like to see my, fancy article?
How about now?